Oh, alright. We got part 2 coming. Because she's getting a manual. The 4L60 is out. And it's time to party. One lovely 4L60. Find a trolley. Get rid of it. Next up, we've got wiring for an automatic. Don't need that. And drive plate. A spigot for the gearbox. And then get yourself a flywheel. And the clutch. Ah. That's a better idea. And some bolts. Well, better take this stuff out.
Yeah, that'll work.
What? Don't need that anymore. Oh, there's room for activities. Huh. So why is the engine out? Well, do it a manual conversion. So, manual conversion needs a couple of things. Needs what? Needs the right wiring loom. That's pretty straightforward. And a computer. Wiring, wiring, wiring.